This machine in particular has load balancing capability, and so what that means is, even though it's 48,000 BTU, it can support indoor units up to 130% in capacity. In this particular installation, we're using up to 60,000 BTU of indoor units, since it has the capability of supporting that much capacity, even though the unit is only 48,000. So what that means to you is that you derive energy savings from it, and your expenses are, of course, going to be lower with a smaller system, even though it has the capability of a large machine. Here we're installing the branch box. All the electrical wiring has to be connected, and this branch box handles 8 indoor units, and you can see the back here, all the connections, they have to be insulated. They're not completely insulated yet.
Are you gonna follow me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Here we have the branch box already in place. The ceiling is complete. It's been insulated as well as covered. We insulate between the joists so that the customer will have maximum comfort and energy savings from it. So if you need insulation, this is what we do for you. And we're here performing a deep vacuum of this Mitsubishi. This particular type of unit, we normally perform a triple vacuum or more. What we do is we'll wait until we get below 500 microns, and then we add more nitrogen, and then bring it down to 500 microns again. We do this several times to assure that there's no moisture inside. Here is an indoor unit that we're turning on now, and this one is in the kitchen. It's got filtration for dust, as well as Catechin antibacterial filtration. It allows heating as well as cooling, and this unit is 1 out of 8 that we installed from one outdoor unit. And as you can see, this is how it operates. We're going to shut it off for you and show you how it works also when it's shut off. And as you can see, it'll go through its motions and then completely shut off. So if you want a Mitsubishi, we believe that Mitsubishi is the high end of ductless systems. And here we are. This Mitsubishi installation is complete. As you can see, we have it mounted above snow level, so that this way, when you use this machine during the winter time, you won't have any problems with snow accumulation. We don't install it like others where they just install it at ground level. We make sure everything is done right for you. And here, including the refrigeration lines, we double insulate it so that rain, snow, and sleet, and sun won't affect the internal insulation. Unlike the other ones that are not, properly sealed, they eventually deteriorate and will cause you problems. So another reason we like Mitsubishi is because it's still made in Japan. So if you like a Mitsubishi installed for you, please consult us. We're energy efficient tech certified, as well as indoor air quality certified. Again, this is Joe from Handyman of America. Thank you for watching our video.